Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Woo! It's Friday. It's been tough, but we've been on it, and we're catching them. If you guys were with me yesterday, they tagged us in the silver, but boy, we made it back nicely. If you stayed with me in the NASDAQ and the S&P, we're going to look to do it again. Those flash updates work, man. We got right out. I don't know if we were 75 cents from the lows when we got out. You guys that were at the site, you get the flash update immediately. I got reports from guys that got out. It was fantastic. So it looks like it's working for you guys who stay at the site. But I'm proud to say as well, the email service seems to be fixed, because from what I can see, people are getting their emails. Check your spam boxes, by the way, because now it's sending out tons of emails and very quickly. Seems to be working. Check your spam boxes. See if you're getting the flash updates. Just thought, being that I'm talking about flash updates now, for you new traders that are just tuning in, I put these recommendations on the board every day. I tell you what they are, and then I get you in and out of the trades via flash updates, which are me sending emails to let you know what to do next. So if you're gauging my work and doing studies to see if I'm accurate, what you see on the video gets you in, the flash updates get you out. Those you can get at my site. You can see them at the site if you need to do the research on that. Point being, you should be on the flash updates database if you really want to know what's going on here. It's not just this trade, it's only the beginning. Flash updates are the end result. They get you out of the trades. For instance, we flash updated today. As I was just saying, I don't know if we were 75 ticks from the low. I flash updated. People got out. It's a great way to trade. Hopefully we'll get lucky again tomorrow. But now you can just go to the site and register at the site, and that will automatically put you on the flash updates database. So anybody who hasn't done so already, or if you've tried in the last week or so and you're still not getting flash updates as of this evening, go back to the site, www.futurestraders.com, reapply. It's free of charge. Put your info in. It'll put you on the flash updates database. All right, that being said, let's go to work. Let's make some money tomorrow. Right here and right here. I smell it. We're going to go down again. Unless those hostages get released, I can't imagine anybody taking this bad boy home long on a Friday. I know I'm not putting it in my portfolio. I wouldn't expect most of you guys would want to either. So barring the hostages getting freed at some time throughout the trading day tomorrow, Friday, I'd say we're going to head down. Friday, 330.07. Let's start off with the S&P. ESM for the electronics. Omni's resistance, 1434.5 to 1436. You'll be a seller up there if you get the opportunity. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1442. If you get short in the 34.5, 36 zone, if we get above 1442, above 1442, and it doesn't look like it's going to break and come right back, knock yourselves out of the trade, so stops go above 1442. Omni's profit objective for the day is 1412 to 1410. I said it yesterday. You heard it here first. It'll be at 1412 by Friday. We got halfway there yesterday. Maybe we'll do the other half tomorrow. Let's see. Maybe we got some luck on that. Make sure you're out by the close. Support is expected at 1423 if we get lucky enough to go down. And again at 1417.20 on its way down to our target of 1412, 1410 area. 1434.5, sell them. 1442 or above, place your buy stops. 1412 to 1410, maybe. NASDAQ, another red Omni on the downside. The ENM7 to get you into the night markets. Omni's resistance, 1793 to 1795. We're probably 89 to 90 right now, so put your orders in above. That's where the resistance is. You probably want to sell it somewhere in there. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1807.5. Again, like this bad boy, you put your stops above 1807.5. Profit objective for the Omni for tomorrow is 1760 to 1757. Woo! There's a drop there, baby. I hope we get that one. 1760 to 57. Get yourselves out if we get that lucky, or be out by the close. The grain report tomorrow. Put on your grain caps because it's coming out tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The grain report will be released. It's the intentions of farmers on what sort of acreage they're going to allocate towards which crops. The world seems to think corn's getting most of it, and wheat, beans, and cotton will be the three major ones to suffer, although lots of others will if that's the case. That in mind, I say just quick near-term targets you could probably look for, barring the report not coming out that way. If the report comes out as expected, and pretty much it looks telegraphed already, cotton 55.30 versus May. May beans 796 on the upside. These are just short-term targets. May wheat 484. The corn, depending upon how much they allocate, the corn might take a little time to follow through. People are going to think, oh, it's lots of corn. Again, this is speculating that it's going to be tons of acreage towards the corn, not as much towards the products, the other products. If the corn gets that much allocated towards it, it might be a downward move for a little while, but by the summertime, let me tell you something, Karnak is not wrong. Corn will be higher like every other grain that I'm going to trade this year. At least that's my opinion on that. Tomorrow we're going to do a Friday roundup, so I won't really show any charts or get into anything fancy today. We always talk about emotions. Keep your emotions dry. Keep your powder dry. Take a deep breath if you need to. Just stay calm. Emotions are out when we trade at all times. Keep that in mind. Let me just tell you, as I always do, I will be at the Mandalay Bay May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th doing the Money Show. I invite you guys to please come down and join me. I'll do a seminar. I will take viewer mail from you guys and tailor my seminar towards my crowd, the crowd of people who are following me. So if you guys come down, we'll have a little one-on-one. I'll see if I can put together a little lesson or two, or something to entertain us all. Maybe we'll learn a little something too, who knows. If you're going to come down, give me an email at oscarinvegas@gmail.com. Let me know you're coming down. I'll be prepared for you. When you're at my YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futures analysts, please hit the subscribe button. That will enable you to get my videos the moment we put them out. This way you get to see them as soon as YouTube airs them for you. If you'd like to call me, please do. 718-351-2266 is my phone number. I think I pretty much covered everything for now. Like I said, tomorrow we'll do a Friday roundup. I found some things on charts that look interesting. And hey, we'll get to look at what happened in the grains. We'll get to see if we're right about this. We got a lot we can do. So I'll see you guys for the Friday roundup. Don't forget, as always, stops are your best friends. Stops you always place. You place them first. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.